free on a boat to sail up the Raritan to Rutgers.
No way!
That's
awesome!
Who should I bring? Well, obviously Alexis.
Yeah.
And 2K!
Woo! Calc On A Boat!
All functions, get your calculators ready. They're about to get real explicit. Everybody in the class, hit your books. Could be trying to get a 5 on this test. We're doing it. Let's go.
Calc On A Boat! Calc On A Boat! Everybody looking at us 'cause we're studying on a boat. Calc On A Boat! Calc On A Boat! Don't even need the books 'cause we're gonna get a 5.
I'm on a boat, straight studying, cramming really hard for my APPC. Gonna get 8 credits, and it's all 'cause of NAR. Where the hell's our teacher? 'Cause we're calc on a boat.
Parametrics, kids, calc on a boat. Trig, we integrating really hard, not missing the C. We got our pencils and our calculators. We doing calc you in the little boat, adding fractions.
To sum up this year's GO.
Separating differential equations, we find a volume, rotating around the axis. Don't use imaginaries. This is real as it gets. Calc on a boat, Mr. Nar. Don't you ever forget.
Calc on a boat, and it's really hard, and we're really glad that we don't gotta use trick charts, man. Calculus, not gonna fail like AB. If you wanna get a 5, then come study with me. Oh!
Dude, straight calc on a boat, Mr. Nar. Forget fractions unless they're partial, Mr. Nar. I'm on the deck with my books, Mr. Nar. These other people give me looks, Mr. Nar. Hey, Nar, if you could see me now. Doing calc, I never thought I'd know how. I'm gonna get a 5, and that's my vow. Like David Nar, calculus is possible!
Never thought I'd be on a boat doing calculus. Who'd have known? Mr. Green, look at me.
Show all your work.
Never thought I'd see the day when Mr. Nar would give me an A. Believe me when I say we all got 5s, yay.
Calc on a boat! Calc on a boat! Everybody look at us 'cause we're studying on a boat! Calc on a boat! Calc on a boat! Don't even need the books 'cause we all got 5s! Hey, Nar, if you could see me now. Doing calc, I never
I'm gonna get a 5, and that's my vow.